Today I'm showing you one of those recipes that works in a hurry or when you came back home late from work. It's a very quick noodle dish. It works even better when you have leftover noodles from yesterday. It's a German dish. It's called schinkennudeln, which translates to ham pasta. And that's exactly what it is. So you need some ham. I usually go shop after the holidays and buy one of those massively reduced hams, cut it up, throw it into the freezer, so that way I have nice portions throughout the year. You need some pasta, preferably a short one. I'm using these egg noodles. You need some onions, an egg, some heavy cream, and a little bit of butter. And that's it. Let's head over to the stove. First things first, we're going to put some salt into our boiling water and boil our pasta. Of course, you don't do that step if you have pasta from yesterday. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to heat up a pan. I'm going to add a little bit of clarified butter. We're going to add our onions, add a pinch of salt, and I'm adding my cut up ham. You let that gain a little bit of color. In the meantime, here's the one egg we're having. And I'm just having a dash of heavy whipping cream. There, that's good enough. Add a pinch of salt. Add a little bit of pepper. Of course, it's a German dish. What is missing? Nutmeg. I'll grind in some nutmeg. Townsends would be happy. And then you just whip this up real good, and there's your sauce. Put that aside for now. We're at a point where this is getting too dark, so what I'm doing is I'm just gonna ladle a few spoonfuls of my cooking water over here. And there, that takes the heat right out of the pan. Let me see how my noodles are doing. Perfect. You can use a sieve. I'm just using one of these spider things. Of course, if you want to save yourself the extra pot and don't want to do more dishes than necessary, you can make this in one pot. Cook your pasta, reserve some of the pasta water, and then do what I'm doing in the pan in this pasta pot. So you can omit the pan. Now, heat off. We're going to be good with the residual heat in the pan. I'm just going to temper this. 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot water. And over we go. And there is your dinner. Now tell me this was a quick one. It tastes excellent. It will fill you up. It's warm. And it literally takes 5 minutes to make. Or whatever time it takes to boil the pasta you're choosing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.